Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document with DocuSign. Immediately, open the email you received from DocuSign containing your document. Then, click on the prominent Review Document button or the link provided within that email. This action will securely open your document in a web browser, preparing it for your signature. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Before adding your signature, it is crucial to thoroughly review the entire document for accuracy. DocuSign provides navigation arrows, typically located at the top or bottom of your screen, to help you smoothly move between pages. Take your time to scrutinize all the content, checking carefully for any inaccuracies in names, dates, or other important details. This critical step helps prevent future issues. Once you have reviewed the document, locate the yellow sign tags that indicate where your signature is required. Simply click on the first sign tag, and DocuSign will prompt you to adopt a signature. You can choose to use a pre-selected style, draw your own, or upload an image. After selecting your preferred method, click Adopt and Sign to place your signature. There might be several signature fields. Your web browser is another common source of advertisements, especially pop-ups. Open your preferred browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to its settings menu. Within these settings, look for Site Settings or Privacy and Security. Ensure that pop-up blocker is enabled, and activate Do Not Track requests for an improved browsing experience. For even more robust protection, consider installing a reputable ad blocking extension directly into your browser, which can block nearly 100% of common ads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.